Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a natural remedy which is only 2 ingredients. It is a miracle treatment which absolutely transforms my skin, and that's what I'm going to be sharing in this video.
Hi guys, my name is Immy and I'm a pharmacist obsessed with health, beauty and wellness. I love to try new products and post every single week, so make sure you guys stick around and subscribe to my channel.
So guys, as you can see, I don't have makeup on, and that is because I wanted to show you guys my real skin and how this treatment is working on my skin. So one thing that I get questioned about a lot is hyperpigmentation, darkness around the mouth, dark circles and acne spots. Now all of these problems are basically like pigmentation of your skin or uneven skin tone, and this natural remedy, which is literally just 2 ingredients, is so effective. Now there are so many chemical products that you can use on your skin, but I know that you guys love a good natural remedy, so let's jump right in. So to make our face mask, we need potato. Now potato has bleaching properties and it is so amazing to use on your skin. This remedy is inspired by Arabs because Arab women are so gorgeous. So I absolutely love potato juice and I've been using it on my skin for so long for lightening. But today we have boiled our potato. You just want to boil it and get a piece about this big. You probably won't need, the entire amount. And then what we want to do is we want to mash it up. Make sure that it is cooled down before you mash it up. So the second ingredient is full fat yogurt. This yogurt, I just bought it from the milk shop. If you are buying your yogurt from a grocery store, I would recommend using like full fat yogurt, or you can use Greek yogurt. That works best. So this is what it would look like when you are mashing it. If you want it to be smoother in texture, you can definitely put it in the blender and it will become extremely smooth. But this is the texture that I'm going to be using. Now this third ingredient is very optional, but I love to put aloe vera and vitamin E capsule in my facials. Now this just adds so much hydration to my skin. It just adds such a boost. And every time I use these capsules, I don't need to use any moisturizer because it leaves my skin a bit oily and like moisturized, not oily in a bad way. So I'm gonna break up one of these capsules. I'm gonna pop it in my facial, and then we are going to apply this facial together. And I want you guys to see the instant effects that it has on my skin. So guys, I'm just gonna apply a really thick layer to my skin, and this is really effective at bleaching and lightening your skin. And the reason I'm mentioning that is because a lot of people ask me about dark circles as well. So this is gonna actually lighten your dark circles. Definitely do put it underneath your eyes and everywhere that you want it to calm down. So sometimes we're like in the kitchen and we can burn our skin with steam or just fire. This is also great at calming your skin down after that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to let this sit on my skin for 20 to 30 minutes. So the reason I leave it for longer than usual is because it's like, very mild and it's natural. You need to give it time to work and soften your skin. One thing that I get questioned about a lot is if a natural remedy is effective, and how effective it is depends on your skin type and also depends on the ingredients that you're using. So some people don't believe in natural remedies at all. I definitely do believe in them, but I also would like to mention that you need to have a clean skin which does not have dead skin on it. So I exfoliated my face today and I know my skin is clean. So I've exfoliated my skin, so the products that I'm going to apply are going to work so much better and it'll be more effective. So this is how this facial is looking right now, and we're going to give it 20 minutes and I'll be back and I'll show you the instant results. So guys, I just washed my skin. It is really looking fresh and I can see that I already have such brightness added to my face. This is going to make your skin super plump, soft and youthful. So one thing that I love to do is moisturize. Now if you used the capsules in your facial, moisturizing is definitely optional because this will give you a little bit of moisture because this is oil based. If you still want to moisturize, aloe vera is perfection. This is perfect for every single skin type. I use this product every single day. I use it as a moisturizer, and as you can see, I'm in a really humid environment. It is so hot, so this is the perfect moisturizer for me. This is further going to like repair your skin. It's going to heal your skin. If you do have darkness or any pigmentation, this is really going to be your best friend at healing that. At the last, I just want to say that do give yourself time, give your skin time. It does not, you know, overnight, you know, nothing really happens overnight. You do need to let the skin repair, and it's just a whole process. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you did enjoy it, do not forget to hit the thumbs up button, comment and like my video as well, so it can reach the most people that it possibly can. And I'm going to be sharing more skincare natural remedies very soon. If you want to see more natural remedies, let me know. Or if you want me to share serums and all of that, do let me know. That video is pending, so I will do that very soon. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.